This is Kumbali. When Kumbali was 2 weeks old, he lost weight over 2 consecutive checkups. Zookeepers determined that his mother was not producing enough milk for all 3 cubs. He was then pulled from his mom, and he began to be hand-raised. He was bottle-fed every 2 to 3 hours, and then he steadily started to gain weight.
When little cubs are born, they don't have the ability to regulate their body temperature, and so we put them in an incubator, and we also have a heat pad in there so that they have something warm to lay against, which would, simulate the laying against the mother.
As he grew older, his motor skills improved, and he started to explore by running, jumping, licking, and playing. But Kumbali was in need of a companion. Meet Kago. Kago is a lab mixed dog that was adopted from a pet rescue organization when he was 10 weeks old. After an initial bath wash and quarantine, Kago was ready to meet his new companion friend. This was their first introduction. After initial uncertainty and a thorough inspection, the two quickly became pals. When they were younger, they were kept inside a zookeeper's home to provide close monitoring and care. And when they were older, they were moved to an outside enclosure. Cheetahs are inherently different from their cat cousins, the tigers and lions. They are wired for flight instead of fight, making them incredibly fast scaredy cats. Despite their anxious habits, however, male cheetahs are very social animals. In the wild, they form coalitions with their brothers. Because Kumbali was all alone, we wanted him to have another 4-legged companion. Even though this symbiotic relationship would never happen in the wild, it has been very successful in captivity. Dogs have been used as companion animals to cheetahs for over 30 years. The dog provides a calming influence for the cheetah by giving him behavioral cues. Dogs are less fearful of the new surroundings and embrace them with confidence. That calmness helps the cheetah remain calm as well. Their bond has become brother-like, and the two are inseparable.